Braces installation is an important decision that could result in major changes to your lifestyle. Although the final result, an attractive and straight smile, is certainly worthwhile, the healing procedure following braces installation can be a challenge. In this short video, we'll discuss the process of recovery is following the braces procedure and offer suggestions on making it as easy as you can. 1. The discomfort that first arose. When you get braces, it is common to feel some pain or discomfort. The reason for this is that the teeth are shifting to the proper place. It is common for the discomfort to last several days, and it can be treated with prescription medications for pain. Consuming soft food like potato mash, yogurt, as well as smoothies may aid in relieving any discomfort. 2. Making adjustments to braces. Braces may take time to become comfortable with. There may be some difficulties talking or eating at first, however, with time you'll get used to wearing braces. It's important to adhere to the instructions of your dentist regarding how to take care of your braces in a proper manner by not eating certain food items and keeping their surfaces clean. 3. The soreness is exacerbated after adjustment. Through your treatment, you are likely to undergo regular adjustments in which the orthodontist will tighten the braces wires. It can result in some discomfort and soreness over a couple of days following every adjustment. Also, pain medications available over the counter will help ease the pain. Consuming soft food and adhering to a diet that is braces friendly will also aid in this period. 4. Oral hygiene. The maintenance of good oral hygiene is essential when wearing braces. Food particles can get stuck in brackets and wires, causing the accumulation of plaque and tooth decay. It's important to floss and brush frequently, using instruments like interdental brushes or floss threaders for cleaning the area between your teeth as well as the braces. The dentist may also suggest applying a fluoride-based mouthwash to prevent the formation of dental cavities. 5. Care for your braces. Alongside maintaining your dental hygiene, it is equally essential to take care of the braces. Beware of eating sticky or hard food items that could damage braces or wires. Take care when chewing, and refrain from habits such as chewing on your nails or writing with pens because they could cause damage to the braces. If you notice that a bracket or wire is damaged, call your dentist immediately to make repairs. 6. Adjusting your diet. If you wear braces, it is possible that you will require some adjustments in your food habits to prevent damage to your orthodontic devices. Hard or sticky are not recommended, since they could cause damage or even loosen the brackets and wires that are part of the braces. Instead, choose chewy and soft foods that will not be stuck inside the braces. Be sure to take plenty of fluids and stay clear of sugary beverages and snack foods to avoid dental decay. 7. Regular checkups. Through your orthodontic therapy, it is expected that you attend regular appointments with your orthodontist in order to track the progress you are making and make needed adjustments. It is essential to make every appointment and adhere to the advice of your dentist for treatment and care of the braces. If you stay in the forefront of your treatment program and schedule, you will be able to ensure that you get the most effective outcome possible to your teeth. 8. The treatment of the discomfort. The process of healing following the procedure can be a bit uncomfortable. It is crucial to keep in mind that the process is only temporary. What you will end up with, an attractive and straight smile, will be more than the discomfort for a short time. While you're waiting, be gentle with yourself and adhere to the instructions of your dentist for taking care of the braces. If you're experiencing extreme discomfort or pain, consult your dentist for guidance regarding how to deal with the issue. The recovery procedure following the installation of braces may be a bit challenging, however, it's crucial to achieve an attractive and straight smile. If you follow the instructions of your dentist regarding the care and maintenance of the braces, ensuring proper oral hygiene, as well as making changes to your eating habits to ensure that the process is as easy as you can. Be aware that the discomfort will be only temporary. However, the advantages from having straight teeth be a lifelong benefit.